This is how you can create a quotation from the retail POS, and also how you can close it if a customer who now want to purchase everything that is on that quotation. So the first thing is login onto the system. So once you are logged in, you want to select all the items that the customer wants. So for example, if this is the items that this customer wants, after selecting, you can just click either here where it says save, or if you just want to add the customer directly, you can just come here, add customer. Then here you will get a list of all your already existing customers. So here you can either click the add button to create a new customer. For example, if you click that, fill in the form here. So you can always do it from here as well by selecting. It will show you the same exact options once you create a customer. So here, if you click the customer, you'll notice there's quote. So you can just click here where it says quote to quote that customer, and afterwards you should see that quote to appear here. If you're not seeing it here, you can always refresh and you will be able to see it from here. So now from here, what you can do, if you have too many of them, you can always filter them out by your name. So for example, if I select like that, you notice I have that quotation here, and I can click on it and just click here where it says quote. This will print out a slip for that particular quotation. So once I'm done doing my quotation, I can just click the three lines again and go back to sales. So if that customer was to ever come back and they want to get everything that was on that quotation, I can just come here on the blue icon, click on that, then here everything should load as usual. So here under username, I'll just filter out by that user. So here, if I click on it now, I can click here where it says open quote. So this will allow me to make changes to this quote or just continue and process it. So if there's something they don't want or they want more, you can always add to that. So once you've made your modifications, you can always come here now where it says pay, and now meaning if the customer is ready to pay. So if I click process, so you do get a lot of payment options. So if they are going to do it under an account, you can always click account since this is already linked to a customer, or you can just select the right payment method for that transaction. So for example, cash. So as you can see here now, that invoice has been generated, and you can just click next to attend to the next customer. You should have a receipt as well printed out. So that's how you can create a quotation and close it on the LytSoft POS.